Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 15,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.